This is our lesson number 24, part 1 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about Garnet family. Garnet is a family. There are a lot of members are there. The name Garnet refers to a group of closely related minerals. You can see this photo. In this photo, all are garnets. All are garnets. Garnets are commonly red. Garnets are commonly red, but also come in an extraordinary range of many beautiful colors, including orange, yellow, purple, and vibrant green. There are even garnets that change color from blue to purple in different lighting, natural and incandescent. So they are color change garnets. Now we are moving to inside. Look at this. This is the very important connection shown here. There are many forms and varieties of garnets here. Pyrope, grossular, white, andradite, spessartine, almandine. How many? There are 6. Mainly 6. What is the difference? In these pyrope, in these, these 4, aluminium is the common element. Here, magnesium, aluminium, silicate. It is rock garnet. Here, iron, aluminium, silicate. Calcium, aluminium, silicate. Manganese, aluminium, silicate. The common element is aluminium. Those are called aluminium members. And here, in this one, grossular also aluminium member, but the calcium is there also. Look at this, white, calcium also there. Common element here, andradite, calcium there. White, calcium there. Calcium chromium silicate. Here, calcium iron silicate. Here, calcium aluminium silicate. So, all 3 members are equipped with calcium. So, we can tell them as calcium members. So, we can categorize into 6 aluminium members, 3 aluminium members, and 3 calcium members. What are the 3? Grossular, andradite, white. You can understand separately. Now, this 3 is calcium members. This 4 aluminium members. Grossular is calcium. Grossular includes to calcium and aluminium, both members. See the color. Color is changing. When it is changing to calcium, the color is greenish. Change to yellowish green. See the magnesium, manganese, iron, calcium. These are the connections. So this image is very important to you. You can take a picture also. Now, there are 6 members. We are moving to next part. Calcium members, there are 3. Aluminium members, there are 3. Look at this. Andradite, demantoid, melanite, topazolite. There are 3 in andradite family. Andradite member. Grossular, hessonite, leucogarnet, hydrogrossular, melanimint. White, Mali garnet, Tsavorite garnet. These are the calcium members. Calcium members, these members. Okay. Aluminium members, almandine, pyrope, spessartine, rhodolite. That is mixed varieties. Pyrope and almandine. Both are in rhodolite. Malaya garnet, pyrope and spessartine. All are aluminium members. Calcium garnets, they have color orange, yellow, and green garnet. These are the calcium. White, andradite, demantoid. Demantoid is very special garnet and expensive rare garnet. Green, yellow, and brown garnets. Now look at this picture also. Umbellite. It is chromium rich. Hessonite. Another name for hessonite is gomede. Aluminium. It is local name. Aluminium. Iron. Andradite. Topazolite. Dementoid. In these three, andradite and the topazolite is with iron. Grossularite, another one. This is color changing garnet. In daylight, this is the color maybe. There are different colors. In incandescent light, it is reddish. But there are color change garnets like alexandrites. Green to purplish red. I have sold. Now look at this. Here, there are pyrospecatine. There are two varieties joining together. Then that is called blue garnet or color change garnet. Blue garnet is very, very, very rare in the world, but have rare blue garnet. It is blue color. If you have this small garnet, you can take billions of dollars. Color change from bluish color to a red or purplish color. This is the rough. This is the cut and polish one, not a blue sapphire. It is garnet, blue garnet. Look at this. In this group, understanding group species and variety. Group. The garnet group, a family of closely related mineral species. Here, andradite, one of several important species of gem garnets. Variety, dementoid, the green variety of the species andradite. Dementoid is very famous for that yellowish green color and the horse tail inclusions. You can learn it later. I will add, already added, I will add everything regarding the dementoid also. Then, in here, I mentioned it, horse tail inclusions are famous in a dementoid garnet. If the dementoid garnet is inclusions, with full inclusions, the price is going up. If it is loop clean, very low price. So dementoid is the only one gemstone we are giving high price for the inclusions, horse tail inclusions. It should be horse tail inclusions. Now look at the rough shape, crystal shape. Crystal shape of the garnet, it is this. It is very easy to identify. These are the crystal shapes. Now look at the names. There are 6 garnet types we learned earlier, but can mention 8 like below. Earlier we learned 6, but now I am explaining 8. Almandine, see the crystal shape. Pyrope, spessartine. Spessartine is the family name. Variety name. Andradite, Tsavorites, Grossular, Tsavorite, Hessonite. Tsavorite is famous for Tanzania. Very beautiful green color. These are the main 8 garnet types. Shall we move? Now look at this table. In this table, the term garnet describes a group name of several closely related minerals that form important gemstones. Compare the following table to learn well. When you learn this, you need to take a screenshot and take a printout because it is wasting time. See the almandine chemical formula, ferrous aluminum silicate. Pyrope, ferrous aluminum silicate, same. But the color is red and black, red. Spessartite means spessartine, both are same. Manganese aluminum silicate, red, yellow, orange, brown, pink. Grossular, calcium aluminum silicate. These are the colors. Rhodolite, magnesium, iron, aluminum silicate. Tsavorite, calcium, aluminum silicate. Andradite, calcium, iron silicate. Urovite, calcium, chromium silicate. Look at the colors. Now I need to explain you regarding the hardness. See the hardness. It is little bit different. Andradite 7.5 to 8.5 hardness. Pyrope 7 to 7.5. Spessartite or spessartine 7. Drosula 6.5 to 7.5. Rhodolite this range. Tsavorite this range. Andradite this range. Urovite 6.5 to 7. So the most hardness gives harder garnet is Almandine. Crystal system is all isometric. This is the Ri range. Specific gravity. Transparency given. Double refraction none. All are single refraction. All are singly reflective. No double. Luster, vitreous. Vitreous means like glass. Almandine. Vitreous to almandine. Almandine. Both are same. Almandine. Like a diamond. Vitreous to almandine. Vitreous to submetallic. You can understand these. Mineral class is there. So you better take a print out. If you forgot to subscribe, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now look at this. This is the crystal shape. These are the rough. No crystal shapes. Here we can see. Compare the crystal shapes. Almandine garnet, cut and polished. Ferrous aluminium silicate. This is the chemical formula. These are the rough, but it is cup. No light there. Now look at here. Pyrope is the most well-known gemstone from form of garnet. Ferrous aluminium silicate. Here, look at this. This also ferrous aluminium silicate. Almandine is the most common form of the garnet. Now look at this. Pyrope is the most well-known. Earlier one is most common. Pyrope is the most well-known gemstone form of garnet. Chemical formula is same. Now look at the difference. Little bit reddish pink color is there. Dark blood red color. See the rough. See the crystal shape. Ola pyrope. Now look at this. Here it is spessartite or spessartine. Both are same. Is an orange to orange red form of the gemstone garnet. Ranging from shiny orange to orange. Or shiny orange to orange red. A rare and expensive garnet. Spessartite or spessartine is explained in Sri Lanka as another name is there, Ratna Gomeda. Not Gomeda, Ratna Gomeda means this. See the color, orange to orange red. See orange red here. Chemical formula is manganese, aluminium, silicate. The material here, element is manganese. See the shape, body shape, crystal shape. See, crystal. So this is the gem we can at once identify, at once with the shape. Because this shape is only for garnet, body shape. Now these are spessartine or spessartite garnet. Now we are talking about the hessonite. Another name is gomeda. It is orange brown non-shiny stone. This is not a shiny stone, but remember this one is shiny stone. Spessartite is shiny stone. Remember this. Hessonite is not a shiny stone. See, this is called penagomeda. Inside like clouds-like inclusions. So it is penagomeda. The clean gemstones can cut and polished as like this. These are the colors. Now you can see the hessonite rough. See, another rough, another rough. All are hessonite garnets. In the next lesson, 25, we will learn about garnet part 2, more about garnet. If you forget to subscribe yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon and give like and share. I need to stop now. Write down the note and learn well. If you have any question in my channel, you have my number. Can take a call and ask.